Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you BMW X7 3.0 xDrive40i. As you can see, the chassis is huge and long. And this is the engine compartment. I don't know whether this is i6 or V8 twin turbo. Now let us find out where is the battery location. Most of all, for BMW, battery is designed at the back, so we need to remove out the both left and right compartment cover, and then we need to remove out the trunk cargo cover side by side. Slowly, don't scratch the leather or the seat. Open up this black cover, then we can see the battery. To remove out the battery, you need to remove out the whole carpet unit. There's a clip, three clips at the side. Okay, now we can remove out the 3 plastic clips at both sides. Lift up the cover and slide to the left. Now you can peel off the cover and slowly pull out. There's no wire or cable connect at the bottom, so just remove out. You can see the straight steel and which lock with the two 10mm screw. Come over here to the left side, that we still can see there's another 30mm screw with the side bracket. And now you can remove the battery terminal and change your battery.